him locked up.
Let's go live now to 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner outside the federal courthouse where Dr. Fata will be appearing today. Jim, explain this money connection to all of this.
Joanna and Glenda, it is a bond hearing, and the judge will be asked to let him post some kind of a financial bond and get out. He would also have to relinquish his passport, but the government will argue to this judge that this doctor has access to $14 million and could easily not only get out of town, get out of the state, but possibly even get out of the country even without a passport. So this hearing will take place within the hour. We're also hearing from patients. They plan to be here. They haven't seen the doctor since he moved from the clinic to court.
A scam artist.
The feds raided the office of Dr. Fata in Rochester Hills, Clarkston, Bloomfield Hills, plus his home in Oakland Township just a couple of days ago. He also has offices in several other Metro Detroit locations. 48-year-old doctor is charged with filing $35 million in false Medicare claims and mistreating patients for cash. Some cases have been fatal. His wife is not charged, not in custody, but worked as chief financial officer. The feds say they have a home in Lebanon. They became U.S. citizens in 2009. 7 Action News investigators have found this is not the first trouble for Dr. Fata. He's settled medical malpractice suits out of court and has more pending, including a man who had throat cancer but became disfigured with intense chemotherapy. More and more patients are coming forward now that Dr. Fata's been criminally charged.
Yeah, I think it's terrible if he's given them therapy and they didn't have cancer.
And we're also hearing from former employees with stories that there were falsified records in this doctor's clinics. But remember, this is just a bond hearing at this early stage, set to take place here in federal court at 1 o'clock. Joanne, Glenda?
If he's ultimately convicted on these charges, how much prison time could the doctor get?
Right now it's set at 20 years, but as this case continues to grow, with the ongoing investigation, there could be additional charges that could up the ante.
All right, Jim Kurtzner reporting from downtown. Thank you, Jim.